Navi says, I've been in Wynwood and Midtown all day, spot checking only. Okay, let me see if I have any questions. I have some. I don't know how many of these I've already answered, to be honest with you. Okay, somebody said, I'm 22 years old. I really appreciate you doing this and giving information. I wanted to ask you if I could probably contact you via email or Instagram or whatever works. I just really need to talk to someone. I want to pursue cybersecurity more than anything. You know, the best time to contact me is right now. These are the best times to contact me. Any other time, I'm super busy. Like, I get people contacting me to do like one-on-ones or mentoring and stuff. I just really don't have time for that right now. I have a full-time job. I like to do it in the future. I would really like to do it in the future when I'm able to focus on things like that. But right now, I just don't have time. These lives, if you ever catch me on these lives, this is the best time to ask me these things. And sometimes I'll just riff off the top of my head. And sometimes people, to be honest with you, a lot of the people who follow me know as much or more than I do. And sometimes those guys, I remember I was talking about security clearances and I had no idea. Like, I'd never had a polygraph before. And somebody broke it all down to me right on one of these calls. And I was able to, this guy explained it so well that I was able to make a whole video about it. You know, you could probably see all the videos we have about it, where I broke down secret, top secret SEI, and top secret with poly and poly lifestyle. Somebody broke that part down to me and I was able to make a whole video. So a lot of times it's not just myself, it's our community that comes together and helps one another out, which is something I really appreciate that's happening as the community grows, because I'm still really small, right?